Good morning, students. Welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss another assertion reasoning important questions. So, if you have subscribed to the channel, then it's good. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So, without wasting time, let's start the session. So now, first question is assertion is concave mirror are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar cookers. Yes, this thing we know that concave mirrors are, but concave mirrors are converging mirror. So they will focus the rays of light in the solar cooker. They are basically converging the rays. So rays from the sun are coming in this way. They are coming from infinity, and they all will focus at a point that is called principal focus. So that means concave mirrors, the statement which is saying the concave mirrors are used in the solar cooker to concentrate the sunlight. This statement is absolutely true. So this statement is true. Now see the second one. The second one is they are saying concave mirror converges the light falling on it. This is also right, and they both are linked. You can see the second one is the explanation for the first one. The reason is why we use concave mirror. This is the statement that we are using the concave mirrors in the solar cooker to concentrate the sunlight that will produce it. But why they are used, why only we use concave mirror? This is described in the reason that they converges the light falling on it. So they are basically concentrating or converges the light. That is the exact reason. So for this question, students, your answer will be both assertion and reason will be true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So answer will be option number A. So these type of questions you can see in CBSE exam, you can see in unit test exam. So I am not saying these questions will definitely come, but I am saying these type of questions you can take the hint from here. You can see how to solve the question, how to reach the answer of that question. So this is question number first, and the right answer will be option number A. If you have any doubt and if you have any query, then you can drop the message. Okay, otherwise now we are moving to the next question. The next question is it is impossible to see the virtual image. So now we are on the second question, and the second question assertion is saying it is impossible to see a virtual image. But students, you can easily answer this question without reading the book. We look daily our image in the plane mirror. In the plane mirror, we see our image daily. That image is also virtual. So it is this statement is wrong that it is impossible to see a virtual image. We can easily see the image, either that is real or virtual. So we can see both type of images, real as well as virtual. So this assertion is wrong here. Let's see the next one. What is the reason he is giving? The rays do not actually meet to form a virtual image. Yes, this is right one, because rays will not meet automatically, or they do not meet actually. We have to extend them backward. We have to extend them manually. So that's why then we will get a virtual image. So this statement is right that rays do not actually meet to form a virtual image. This is the right statement. Assertion is wrong here. So your answer will be option number D, that is assertion is false but the reason is true. So D option will be the right answer for this particular second question. So students, if you find this video useful, then you can like, share and subscribe to our channel. So let's move to the next question. The next question will be displaying on your screen, and this is question number 3. Question number 3 is saying mirror formula cannot be applied to the plane mirror. So assertion, let's see the assertion. Assertion is saying mirror formula cannot be applied to the plane mirror. But students, you know, all laws of reflection can be applied to all mirrors, and mirror formula can be also applied to all mirrors. That means this assertion is false, because he is saying what he is saying, that mirror formula we cannot apply the mirror formula to the plane mirror. So that means this is false. We can apply the formula for the plane mirror also. Next is reason. Mirror formula is given by 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So students, here you can see this this is right, formula is given right, but assertion is not true. So obviously option A and B are not possible here. Assertion is wrong here and reason is true. So again the answer will be option number D. Assertion is wrong here but the reason is right. So option number D will be the right answer for the third question. So let's move to the next question now. The next question is question number 4. Now students, as we have done many questions, so I am requesting you to please pause the video and try this question. As we have done some questions in the earlier video also, that was part number 1. So now we have done some questions also, so you can try this question and you can get ready with your answer in 30 seconds. You can do the question in 30 seconds. Please pause the video and try to solve the question. Okay, so let's discuss this one. I hope you have tried. So now he is saying in the assertion, higher is the refractive index of the medium or denser the medium, lesser is the speed of light in that medium. He is saying if the refractive index will be more, then the speed of light will be less. Obviously we know this thing. Obviously in the glass or in the water the speed of light decreases. So higher is the refractive index of the medium, denser the medium, lesser the speed of light. This is the true statement. This is right. Now see the second one. Second one, he is saying refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed. Now he is saying that speed is inversely proportional to the refractive index. More will be the refractive index, lesser will be the speed. So now this is also right, and this is the basically the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. So this is the correct explanation for this assertion. So that means for this question the right answer will be option A. Both assertion and reason will be true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So in this way students, you are supposed to reach the answer, you are supposed to find the answer for assertion reasoning question. Let's move to the fifth question now. In this video we will discuss approximately 14 questions. So now question number 5. Question number 5 is saying In assertion, a convex lens is used to obtain the image on the screen. So on the screen, if you want to obtain the image on the screen, then we know only real images can be picturized. Only real images can be obtained on the screen. So can convex lens give us real image? Yes, obviously convex lens can give us real image. So convex lens can give us the real image. So that means this assertion is true. Convex lens is used to obtain the image on screen. This assertion is true. Second, in the reason he is saying a real image can be obtained on the screen which can be formed using the convex lens. This is also true. He is giving the complete explanation that only real image can be obtained on the screen which can be formed using the convex lens. So here both are interlinked and both are true, and reason is the correct explanation for this assertion. So reason is the correct explanation for this assertion. So I hope you can now easily guess what will be the answer. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. So answer will be option A. So in this way students, you have to find the answer. But if you know the concepts, only then you can solve the questions. Otherwise you will obviously do hit and try. So if your concepts are clear, then you can easily attempt all the assertion reasoning questions. So let's move to the next question now. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, we produce only erect images using the plane mirror. Yes, this is right, because we can get only erect images using the plane mirror. We cannot get inverted images. We can produce only erect images using the plane mirror. Let's see the second one. Second one is, the focal length of the convex mirror is always positive. So this is convex mirror. Let's wait, I will draw it again. So this is convex mirror and its inner side is polished, and you know its focal length is positive. So focal length is this one. So this is the focal length. Okay, so its focal length is measured from the pole and we move in this direction, so it is positive. Yes, this statement is also right. The focal length of the convex mirror is always positive. So both are right, but there is no connection between assertion and reason. This is talking about the convex mirror, and in this assertion he is talking about the plane mirror. So there is no link between the assertion and reason. So now in this case answer will be, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion. So for this question your right answer will be option number B. So option B indicates that both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation for the given assertion. So in this way you have to attempt the questions. I am repeating again and again. Now for the next question you can pause the video and try the question. You can pause the video and try the question. Question number 7 is displaying on the screen, and I hope you have paused the video and you have tried the best. So let's see. He is saying if the rays falling on a lens are diverging, it is called concave lens. So if a lens is diverging the rays, then we say it as concave lens. Assertion is right. Diverging rays, concave lens. Reason, concave lens can give the diverging rays. This is also right. And if the rays are diverging, then we can conclude that concave lens it is, and in the reason he is saying concave lens is giving the diverging rays. So both are interlinked, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Why we call it, if the rays are diverging, then why we call it concave? Because concave lens give us diverging rays. So answer will be option number A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the true explanation for the given assertion. So in this way, students, you have to attempt the questions. We have discussed 7 questions. If anyone is having doubt, or if you find any mistake here, then you can drop the message, or you can drop the message in message on my phone number also, so that we can rectify that mistake. Let's move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is saying light has less speed in water than air. So we have already seen such type of question in which water light speed of light is less in the medium as compared to air. So this is right. Next is refractive index is inversely proportional to speed. Water has more refractive index than air. So in this he has given the complete explanation that speed is inversely proportional to refractive index. So refractive index of water is more, that's why its speed is less in water. Light speed of light is less in water as compared to air. So this is again the true explanation, and this is also true, and both are interlinked. That means both assertion and reason will be true, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So answer will be option number A. So students, you can note down the all questions in your fair notebook. Let's move to the next question now. The next question is, if the rays falling on a mirror are diverging, then it is called convex mirror. If the rays falling on a mirror are diverging, then it is called convex mirror. Yes. Next is, it is true because convex mirror diverges the rays. Convex mirror can give the converging rays. Now this is false. So for this question, assertion is true but the reason is false. So answer will be option number C. Basically students, assertion reasoning questions you can attempt only in particular case in which you know about the concepts. If you do not know about the concepts, if you are just cramming the concepts, or you don't know the concepts, you are depending on the multiple choice questions, or you are depending on the others, then these questions you cannot do at your end. So you can do these questions only when you know about the thoroughly study, when you know about the all concepts thoroughly, when you have gone through the all concepts thoroughly. So this is the answer for question number 9. Let's move to the next question. Next question is, convex lens cannot produce the image on the screen. Why it cannot produce? It can produce also, because it can give us real as well as virtual images. So it can give us real and virtual, both type of images. That means it can produce the image, on the screen. So this is false. Firstly, this is false. Concave lens always give virtual image. This is right. Concave lens always give virtual image. Now see, is there any connection between these two? Firstly, assertion is wrong, then obviously option A and B are not possible. So here assertion is false and reason is true. So option number D will be the right answer for question number 10. So in this way you have to attempt the questions. If you have any query, any doubt, or any mistake you will find in any question, then you can drop the message on my number. I will display my number at the end of this video. So let's move to next question. The next question is, the magnification produced by convex lens is always positive. So now he is talking about convex lens. You can see, so convex lens can give erect images as well as it can give the inverted images also. So that means if he is saying the magnification produced by convex lens is always positive, this is not true, because sometimes it can be positive, sometimes it can be negative also. So this statement is not true here. The magnification produced by convex lens is always positive. If he says positive, then we can consider, but if he says always positive, then always it is not positive, sometimes it is negative also. In many of the cases it is basically negative, so it is false. Reason is, the image formed by the convex lens is always erect. This is also false, because convex lens can give upward images also, that are virtual images, and downward images also, that are real images. So here both are false. So it is the again extreme case, I think, because this option will be not available in the examination, because we are not providing this option when both are false. So might be CBSE can give particular instruction for one question or two questions. So now the magnification produced by convex lens is always positive, wrong. The image formed by convex lens is always erect, this is again false. So both are false here, both assertion and reason are false. So in this case you have to give the answer E option, when both are false. So let's see the next question. The next question is question number 12. Okay, let's see. Question is saying, you can try this question, because we have already discussed many questions. You can try this question. Please pause the video and try this question. We have discussed already a lot of questions, so you can try this question. Okay, let's see. He is saying in assertion, question number 12, concave lens can produce the image on the screen. Now again, simple concept you have to remember, that only real images can be screened. So here concave lens can produce the image on the screen, but concave lens always give virtual and erect image. It will always give virtual and erect image. That means for virtual image we cannot produce that on screen. So assertion is false here. Assertion is false here. Now see the reason. Reason he is saying, because concave lens give us virtual image. This is right, but this is not the explanation of assertion, because assertion is false. If we say concave lens cannot produce the image on screen, then it will be right. But he is saying concave lens can produce the image on the screen, then it's false. So in this question assertion is false, but the reason is true. So answer will be option number D. That means assertion is false, but the reason is true. So let's move to the next question. The next question is question number 13, and the question number 13 is saying, the magnification produced by, okay, I think this question is repeated one, na? Question number 13 is repeated one. The magnification produced by convex lens is always positive, this was false. The image found by concave lens is always erect. Okay, this is different. Wait, assertion is same, but reason is different here. So assertion is, the magnification produced by convex lens is always positive. So we have discussed this one, that it can give the erect images also, it can give the inverted images also. So its magnification can be positive also, and its magnification can be negative also. So this thing is wrong, that convex lens has magnification always positive. It can be magnification, its magnification can be negative also. So this is false here again. Let's see the reason now. The image formed by concave lens is always erect. So we know concave lens always give virtual images, and that virtual images are always erect. So reason is true here, but the assertion is not true. So here the answer will be assertion is false but the reason is true, and for that you have to answer the option D. So I hope this is also clear, and these type of questions are very important from examination point of view, either that is CBSE examination or your unit test or term 1 examination. Let's see the last question of today's session. Last question, yes. Assertion is the mirror used by the dentist is concave mirror. Oh yes, this is right. The mirror used by the dentist is concave mirror. Let's see the reason. Reason is saying concave mirror will give enlarged and virtual image when object is placed between focus and center of curvature. So students, this is false. This is false because object will be placed between pole and focus. When the object is placed between pole and focus, then we can get enlarge and virtual image. So everything is okay, but he is saying focus and center of curvature. This is false. So that means assertion is true, but reason is false due to these last words, this position. Otherwise reason was correct almost, but this position is not true, so that's why it is wrong here. So in this question assertion is right but the reason is true. Sorry, assertion is right but the reason is false. So C option will be the right answer. Assertion is true but the reason is false. So this is the answer for question number 14. In the previous video we have, I think, discussed 16 to 20 questions. In this video we have also discussed here 14 questions, and all the 14 questions I hope you have understood. Please note down these questions in your notebook. And now for any queries I am dropping my number here, and if you have any query, any doubt you have, if any mistake you found in this video, then you can drop the message on this number, and your feedback will be appreciated, and we will try that feedback will be implemented in the next upcoming sessions. So 8727955300, this is my number, and this is Jaskirat from here. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have find this video useful, then you can like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care.